Hello and welcome to the Gold and Silver Club cryptocurrency forecast for the 29th of September 2017, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. The cryptocurrency forecast will include fundamental outlook, a snapshot of the latest developments, technical analysis with our daily trade idea, and economic calendar, the key events to watch. Fundamental outlook, a snapshot of the latest developments. Certainly the month of September has been very interesting here for the cryptocurrencies. At the start of the month, Bitcoin broke out to all-time highs, trading at $5,000, and over the month of September corrected all the way back down to $3,000. A well-needed correction from an overbought condition, and with the correction lower in the cryptocurrencies, that of course married up with China banning initial coin offerings, also halting local exchanges. Comments from JP Morgan and also the China crackdown have contributed to Bitcoin retesting $3,000. However, the subsequent rebound back to $4,000 here is encouraging for the cryptocurrencies. In fact, this week, Bitcoin is up 13% and Ripple is up 14%. So with that, we'll move over to the charts and we'll talk you through our trade idea. Technical analysis with our daily trade idea. Now moving over to the charts, we'll talk you through two trade ideas today. One is going to be Ripple and one is going to be Bitcoin. So if we have a look at the price structure of Ripple here, you will note over the last week we have been forming a basing formation, and in fact on Wednesday we finally broke out of the recent consolidation, which has been between 14 cents here up to 19 cents. We popped above that level. We're in fact trading above 20 cents at the moment, and I do like the potential for Ripple to continue to base here and slowly but surely grind higher and accelerate to the upside over the month of October. So I would see this as a buying opportunity. It's been one of the stronger major cryptocurrencies over the month of September. We can see here where we've also started to clear above some major moving averages that we track as well. We've essentially popped to the upside over the last week. We've broken out of a pennant formation here as well, and I would also suggest we've got a V-shaped reversal recovery here where we've broken above the neckline of 19 cents over the last week. And essentially from a trade idea point of view, I would look at buying opportunities on pullbacks back towards 19 cents, although I still like Ripple here even at 20 cents, and we're looking for more upside over the month of October here, essentially looking to take out the recent consolidation zone. So first of all, we would look for the price to break out back above 24 cents, beyond that 26 cents, and then if we really start to see Ripple build up momentum to the upside over the month of October, we would be looking for a retest back above the August highs here as well if we really start to see Ripple build up momentum over the next month. But certainly for now, Ripple has broken out of the recent consolidation and correction, and we will be looking for higher prices in the weeks to come. Now moving over to Bitcoin, certainly the month of September has seen a lot of volatility. So from breaking out to $5,000 to then correcting back down to $3,000, then having an impressive rebound over the last couple of weeks, bouncing from $3,000 back above $4,000 and now trading at $4,176 here. What is next for Bitcoin? Well, certainly you want to bear in mind that we have now broken out from some overhead resistance over the last week. So we are starting to get a move back into these recent consolidation zones, which sit between 4,000 up to 4,500 US dollars here for Bitcoin. From a trade idea point of view, what should we be looking at the moment? Okay, so I would look at the following from a trade idea point of view right now. We are coming up to another level of resistance, which sits right now around 4,250 US dollars. We certainly have some underlying support here. We've got trend channels and also a basing formation and a wedge pattern in formation here as well. Whilst the price holds above $4,000, I do like Bitcoin here. I would also be looking at the potential for a revisit back towards 4,000. If we were to see that get a bid on lower time frames, we've got a lot of previous support at 4,000. I would be looking for a retrace entry, taking the price higher, providing it gets supported. If it does get supported, I would then look to take the price higher back within this consolidation zone between 4,250 up to 4,500. So if we were to see the current prices get well supported, continue to close above 4,000. The flip side downside of that would be if we were to break below $4,000 again, but close below that, we could start to see a more significant corrective move lower. And then if we were to see that, if we were essentially to see Bitcoin break down further in the days to come, you might suggest that we have a head and shoulders pattern in development here, and we could start to see a more significant decline if that really started to play out. You've got your left shoulder here, you've also got the head, and potentially a lower high on the right here, then leading into a more significant decline lower. But at this stage, that has not been confirmed, and I would suggest the price structure over the last week is encouraging, with a 14% gain here to the upside with Bitcoin as well. So whilst we continue to maintain above $4,000, I do like the potential for Bitcoin to stay within this recent range between 4,000 and then moving back up towards 4,500 as we transition into the final quarter of the year. So with that, those are our trade ideas on both Bitcoin and also Ripple. If you would like to be kept updated on our daily trade ideas at the Gold and Silver Club, including our exact entry, exit, take profit, trade management in real time, make sure you stay on to the end of today's session, and we'll provide you with details of how you can become a member of the Gold and Silver Club. Economic calendar, the key events to watch. One of the major news items you want to be aware of is the Baker Hughes US oil rig count, which can have a big impact on crude oil prices. Over the last week, crude oil prices have broken out to 2-year highs, up over 20% this quarter. Last week, we saw another decrease in the amount of oil rigs for the third week in a row, and this news item can have a big impact on the oil market. Other data that we have coming out on Friday includes the Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index and also Core Personal Consumption Expenditure Price Index, and we also have FOMC member Harker speaking. Are you ready to take your trading to the next level? Then the private members live trading room is definitely for you. For more information on the private members live trading room, please visit www.thegoldensilverclub.com.